Hare Krishna Prabhu. My question is on the last two classes. You had mentioned about how the Lord appears as the deity. And there's a quote by Prabhupada which you showed on the screen. Prabhupada says the Lord takes the form, resembling matter. So that means I can understand that the Lord, first when we have the deity, when the deity is sculpted or made, it's matter. So when the Lord comes, the matter is till the Prana Parishtha takes place, it's matter. It's just a metal. The Lord comes, the matter goes away, and the Lord is there. The Lord himself is there, resembling this matter. And this metal,
there you're wrong. Matter doesn't go anywhere.
Yeah, let me complete. So the matter also remains because the Lord is absolute truth. So in the absolute truth, He contains everything. The Brahman contains everything. So matter is also there in that. But now it is not only matter. It is the Lord and the Lord including the absolute truth, including matter, everything. So when we see the deity, we see the supreme absolute truth there. So that is one aspect. Then again you spoke about the holy name being the incarnation of the Lord. In that sense, you mentioned that the holy name is a shaktyavesha avatara. So just like the Lord is taking the form resembling metal, here the Lord takes form resembling sound, which is also one of the 5 elements of matter. So in this case also similarly, the Lord is coming in this sound, taking a form resembling this sound, this sound.
Correct.
So, and then you mentioned it's shaktyavesha avatar, it's an empowered incarnation, and we have to serve this empowered incarnation in order to experience the Shuddha Nama.
Right.
So, how come when the Lord himself is coming in the form of taking a form resembling matter, why isn't it the Supreme Lord himself, and why is it an empowered incarnation? So when I'm chanting the holy name, why isn't it that I'm touching the Lord directly? Just like if I'm going to the main temple hall and seeing Radha Krishna Chandra, I am seeing the Supreme Lord themselves. I'm not saying a form resembling them. No, that is Supreme Lord resembling matter. That is Supreme Lord themselves. So when I'm talking with them, they respond. I am unable to hear it. That is a different issue. Similarly, when I am chanting the holy name, so isn't it that I am touching the Supreme Lord himself in the form of the holy name, in the form of matter, sound. And why is it that I have to serve this Shaktya or empowered incarnation and then touch the Supreme Lord? Why isn't it I'm touching the Supreme Lord directly in just in the same way as the deity?
Okay. The energy form of the Lord, which is the deity, matter energy. The Lord takes a form resembling that matter form. It doesn't take the form of the matter, but it takes a form resembling this matter, a mapping. Okay. Then he enters the matter, the energy form. Now the energy form, in every incarnation, because the Lord enters means all his energies will also enter. So the matter energy, the energy form, is also Satchidanandaized. The Lord is Satchidananda Lord. The incarnation of the Lord is Satchidananda Lord. The matter which formed the deity gets Satchidanandaized. When something is Satchidanandaized, there is a constitutional relationship of the Lord and his energy being one, simultaneously one and different. So by worshipping and relating with the Satchidanandaized form, which is what we can see now and relate, if your spiritual senses can perceive the Satchidananda form in the deity, fine. What is the difference? One is the Lord in the material element, the other is Lord in his Satchidananda form. One is the material element, Satchidanandaized. So now I can only touch matter. So I touch matter which is Satchidanandaized. So when with my material senses, I touch Satchidanandaized matter and serve Satchidanandaized matter, the soul of that Satchidanandaized matter is no one except the person incarnation, the incarnation of the Lord. So there are no two persons. One shaktyavesha avatara. Shaktyavesha avatara is none other than the Lord through this particular material elements. Satchidananda. The Lord who is come in a similar form is acting through this material energy. Then it is shaktyavesha avatara. But everywhere, you take the deity body is also shaktyavesha avatara. The principle is same. Because that matter of the deity is not ordinary matter. It's not ordinary matter. It also gets that omnipotence due to getting Satchidanandized by the presence of the Lord who has entered there. So the difference is coming between the shaktyavesha avatara and the soul of the shaktyavesha avatara, or the real person of the shaktyavesha avatara. Shaktyavesha avatara is Satchidanandized, I said, because you can unsatchidanandize also. Satchidanandized, but the Lord who is behind this is not Satchidanandized Lord, he is Satchidananda Lord only. So that way, the difference is because of my inability to see the Satchidananda form of the Lord. Therefore, Lord is very, very merciful. He need not see. You please worship me the way you can see. For all practice, as good as I am that. Tomorrow you abuse me, I go out of that body, then that is not as good as me. But with respectfully, as good as me, if you are treating, then there is no difference. There is no material element at all there for you. And then you, in this manner, through the way in which you can touch me, today in your conditioned state, purify all your material senses and awaken your spiritual mind. And then awaken your spiritual senses. One day you will be able to see the Satchidananda form of mind as well as Satchidananda-ized form. Both you can see. Both you can relate.